Hello and welcome to Unique Top 10. Today, we'll be discussing the top 10 books you should read for self-improvement. Whether you want to improve your communication skills, develop better habits, or simply gain a new perspective on life, these books are a great place to start. Before we dive into our list, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications, so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let's get started. 1. The Power of Habit, by Charles Duhigg. This book explores the science behind habits, why we have them, and how we can change them. It provides practical strategies to help readers develop better habits and eliminate bad ones. 2. Atomic Habits, by James Clear. Similar to The Power of Habit, this book provides practical strategies for building good habits and breaking bad ones. It emphasizes the importance of making small changes over time to achieve big results. 3. 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, by Stephen Covey. This classic self-help book outlines 7 habits that successful people tend to have in common. It provides a framework for personal growth and development, emphasizing the importance of building relationships, setting goals, and being proactive. 4. Think and Grow Rich, by Napoleon Hill. This book is a classic in the genre of personal finance and self-improvement. It provides a step-by-step guide to achieving wealth and success, emphasizing the power of positive thinking and persistence. 5. The Alchemist, by Paulo Coelho. This fictional novel tells the story of a young shepherd who embarks on a journey to find his personal legend. It is a powerful allegory for following your dreams and finding your purpose in life. 6. How to Win Friends and Influence People, by Dale Carnegie. This book provides practical tips for building relationships and communicating effectively with others. It emphasizes the importance of listening, being empathetic, and understanding human nature. 7. The 5 Love Languages, by Gary Chapman. This book explores the different ways that people give and receive love, and provides insights into how to strengthen relationships by speaking your partner's love language. 8. The 4 Agreements, by Don Miguel Ruiz. This book provides a code of conduct for living a happier, more fulfilling life. The 4 agreements are: be impeccable with your word, don't take anything personally, don't make assumptions, and always do your best. 9. The Art of Happiness, by Dalai Lama and Howard C. Cutler. This book provides insights into the nature of happiness and how to cultivate it in your life. It is based on conversations between the Dalai Lama and psychiatrist Howard C. Cutler. 10. Man's Search for Meaning, by Viktor E. Frankl. This memoir tells the story of Frankl's experiences as a Holocaust survivor and his development of the theory of logotherapy, which emphasizes the importance of finding meaning and purpose in life. And there you have it, the top 10 books to read for self-improvement. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications, so you never miss out on our latest videos. Which of these books have you read, and which ones are you planning to read next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.